Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. COMEX silver price is holding downside support at $30 along with break in its nearby resistance at $31.40 in rising channel, heading towards next positive station at $32.50 on upside, indicate short-term trend is bullish. MCX silver price has started forming higher high higher low formation with break in its nearby resistance at 90,000 level, indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, key resistance hold at 90,600 level and break above will surge the price further up till 91,650 and 93,000 level in near term. On the other hand, key support hold at 89,000 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.